In a vast savannah, under the blazing sun, lived a humble dung beetle named Dabu. Dabu was a unique member of the animal kingdom, for he had a special role to play. One day, Dabu noticed a fresh pile of dung, a task waiting to be accomplished. With a determined look in his small eyes, he began to roll a ball. However, a strong wind blew, and his hard-earned ball was swept away. Disheartened, Dabu looked around, but the wind had scattered the dung far and wide. He felt overwhelmed, thinking he would never be able to complete his duty. Just then, his friend, a wise old vulture named Vuto, landed next to him. Vuto asked, "Dabu, what troubles you today?" Dabu shared his predicament, feeling defeated by the wind. Vuto smiled and said, "Remember, Dabu, we each have a role in the circle of life. Your work may seem small, but it holds great importance." Inspired by Vuto's words, Dabu started again, rolling his balls of dung one by one. Each ball he rolled, he placed in a hole he had dug, burying it deep in the ground. Day by day, he continued his work, tirelessly and diligently. The other animals watched Dabu, curious about his task. A rabbit named Rena asked Dabu, "Why do you do this every day?" Dabu explained, "I help to recycle waste, keeping the savannah clean and healthy." Rena was amazed. "How important you are, Dabu." "I never realized," she said, understanding the value of Dabu's work. From that day forward, Dabu was respected by all the animals in the savannah. The moral of the story: no task is too small when it contributes to the betterment of our world. Each of us has an important role to play, and every action, no matter how small, can make a difference.